Have you ever wondered which Audi models stand out for their reliability and quality? Today, we delve into the world of Audi cars to uncover the top 10 most reliable models that offer both performance and peace of mind. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Audi has consistently delivered excellence in engineering. So, let's dive in and explore these remarkable vehicles that have earned their place as the most dependable choices in the Audi lineup. Number 1. 2016 Audi A3 8V. Kicking off our list is the 2016 Audi A3 8V, which received an impressive reliability score of 83/100 from J.D. Power. This third-generation hatchback introduced the Audi A3 e-tron PHEV, expanding its appeal. Despite fierce competition, the 2016 A3 holds its ground with a used market price around $19,990, making it a cost-effective choice for luxury enthusiasts. Number 2. 2016 Audi A6 4G. The 2016 Audi A6 4G underwent a significant facelift to stay competitive in its class. With enhancements in design, technology, and performance, the A6 maintained its popularity. It earned a reliability score of 83/100, offering a compelling option for those seeking refinement and sophistication in their sedan. Number 3. 2023 Audi A3 8Y. As Audi's fourth-generation A3, the 2023 model stands out with its striking design and improved reliability. With a J.D. Power score of 84/100, it surpasses its predecessors, setting new standards for longevity and performance. Owners can enjoy the confidence of owning a vehicle that combines style, efficiency, and durability. Number 4. 2018 Audi A4 B9. The 2018 Audi A4 B9 shines as a top performer in the compact premium car segment. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it exemplifies Audi's commitment to excellence. From its range of turbocharged engines to its refined interior, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 5. 2014 Audi A7. With its distinctive lift-back design and advanced features, the 2014 Audi A7 commands attention on the road. Its reliability score of 85/100 speaks to its durability and performance, making it a sought-after choice among luxury sedan enthusiasts. With cutting-edge technology and timeless style, the A7 remains a standout in its class. Number 6. 2015 Audi Q3. The 2015 Audi Q3 captured hearts with its compact SUV design and impressive safety ratings. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it outshines competitors in its class, offering peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With its combination of versatility and dependability, the Q3 continues to be a popular choice for urban adventurers. Number 7. 2016 Audi A7. Following a facelift in 2015, the 2016 Audi A7 emerged with enhanced features and improved reliability. With a strong J.D. Power score of 85/100, it maintains its reputation as a luxury sedan that delivers both style and substance. From its advanced infotainment system to its powerful engines, the A7 remains a standout choice for discerning drivers. Number 8. 2015 Audi A5. As the end of its first generation, the 2015 Audi A5 impresses with its reliability score of 87/100. Offering a blend of performance and elegance, it continues to captivate enthusiasts looking for a stylish coupe. With its accessible price point and refined engineering, the A5 remains a timeless icon in the Audi lineup. Number 9. 2013 Audi A4 B8. The 2013 Audi A4 B8 represents the pinnacle of quality and reliability in its model line. With an outstanding score of 87/100, it embodies Audi's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. Whether cruising city streets or tackling winding roads, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 10. 2010 Audi A6 4F. Rounding out our list is the 2010 Audi A6 4F, hailed as the most reliable used Audi available. With an exceptional score of 89/100, it sets the standard for longevity and performance. Despite its age, the A6 remains a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market, offering unparalleled value and prestige. Audi continues to raise the bar for reliability and quality with its impressive lineup of vehicles. From sedans to SUVs, each model offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're seeking a sleek commuter car or a spacious family vehicle, Audi has something for everyone. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Are you on the hunt for a reliable ride with a touch of luxury? Then buckle up, because we're diving into the world of BMW, uncovering the top 10 most dependable bimmers you can find. From iconic classics to modern marvels, we'll explore models that have stood the test of time, delivering performance and reliability in equal measure. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. F30 BMW 3 Series. Kicking off our list is the F30 BMW 3 Series, a car that's as good as it gets in the realm of reliability. While it may not be renowned for bulletproof dependability, landing the right spec can make all the difference. Opting for models like the 340i or 330i with newer and more reliable engines can help steer clear of potential issues. And for our diesel-loving friends across the pond, models like the 320d offer a solid choice, though not without their own quirks. Number 9. F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo. Next up, we have the F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo, a hidden gem in BMW's lineup. Despite its unconventional appearance, this cheat code car excels in practicality and comfort. With fewer units sold in the US, owning one guarantees turning heads, for better or for worse. And when it comes to specs, opting for the 6-cylinder variants like the 535i ensures a smoother ride. Number 8. G30 BMW 5 Series. Moving on, we have the G30 BMW 5 Series, a true testament to BMW's commitment to reliability. Boasting an impressive score on J.D. Power's reliability scale, this executive sedan is a top pick for the budget-conscious buyer. With turbocharged powertrains across the board, models like the 530i or 540i strike the perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Number 7. F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. Surprise, surprise! The F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe makes its mark as a reliable entry-level model. Packed with power and precision, this compact sedan offers a stress-free driving experience. Whether you opt for the 228i or M225i spec, you're in for a treat, with minimal maintenance hassles and a low probability of major repairs. Number 6. G001 BMW X3. When it comes to SUVs, the G001 BMW X3 reigns supreme in the realm of reliability. Sharing its DNA with its sedan siblings, this third-generation variant offers unmatched dependability and value for money. Whether you go for the S-Drive 30i or X-Drive 30i, you're guaranteed a smooth ride with minimal hiccups along the way. Number 5. F25 BMW X3. The second-generation BMW X3, particularly post-LCI variants, earns its spot as one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. With a spacious interior and a range of engine options, including the legendary N52 inline-six, the F25 X3 delivers a comfortable and dependable ride at an affordable price point. Number 4. E39 BMW 5 Series. Stepping back in time, we encounter the legendary E39 BMW 5 Series, revered for its timeless design and unparalleled reliability. Equipped with naturally aspirated straight-six engines, this classic model stands the test of time, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Number 3. E83 BMW X3. The first-generation E83 BMW X3 secures its place as a reliability powerhouse in BMW's lineup. With a reputation for bulletproof performance and a range of engine options, including the robust M54 unit, the E83 X3 remains a top choice for those seeking a dependable SUV. Number 2. E90 BMW 3 Series. The fifth-generation E90 BMW 3 Series strikes the perfect balance between performance and reliability. With a range of engine options, including the venerable N52 Straight 6, this iconic model continues to impress with its dynamic capabilities and overall dependability. Number 1. E46 BMW 3 Series. Topping our list is the iconic E46 BMW 3 Series, a true testament to BMW's legacy of reliability and versatility. With a range of body styles and engine options, including the legendary M54-powered variants, the E46 remains a timeless classic beloved by enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, folks. From modern marvels to timeless classics, BMW continues to set the standard for reliability and excellence in the automotive world. Whether you're in the market for a practical sedan or a rugged SUV, these top 10 most reliable BMWs offer a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.